What if I told you in the next 20 minutes, you will discover the exact system I use to go from zero to $10,000 a month in just 5 months, and I'm going to give you the same funnel that generated those results for free. But here's what makes this video different from every other affiliate marketing video you've watched. I did not spend a single dollar on ads. Everything you're about to see was built completely from social media using free traffic. And if you stick to the end, I'm giving you 4 game-changing bonuses that will speed up your results. Bonus number 1 is the exact funnel I use to generate $10,000 a month in commissions ready to be imported into your free account. Bonus number 2 is my 30-day content calendar that I use to give clients for $1,000 yours for free. This is going to eliminate the biggest question: what do I actually post? Bonus 3, my easy PCE system: post, comment, and email. The 3-step daily routine that generates over $10,000 a month with just 3 hours a day. While other people struggle with 12-hour strategies, this is all you need. Bonus 4 is my personal list of high-paying affiliate programs, including one that pay $1,000 and $2,000 per commission. But first, let me explain what affiliate marketing is, because most people get this completely wrong.
So what affiliate marketing basically means is you promote other people's products or services online, and in exchange, they give you a cut or a commission, okay? So now, once you become an affiliate for that company or that brand, they give you your affiliate link, right? Once you get your affiliate link, you can either promote it on social media or you can promote it on your own blog or website. Once you do that, people will go and they click on your affiliate link. If they make a purchase, you earn a cut, okay? So that's the entire business model right here. You place your affiliate link, people click on your affiliate link, they make a purchase, then the conversion or the sale is tracked back to you, the affiliate, and you earn a commission. Okay, so the reason why I love affiliate marketing, and I think it's the best business model for beginners, is because your job is only to promote the product. It's not your job to sell the product. It's not your job to ship the product. It's not your job to do the customer service. It's not your job to do the fulfillment. The company or the product that you promote for, it's their business and it's their job. Now that we know what affiliate marketing is, let me tell you guys, there are 2 types of affiliate marketing. Most people, they do the low-ticket affiliate marketing, which is basically promoting brands like Amazon, Nike, Adidas. All of these brands are willing to pay you low commissions, anywhere from 5% to 10% commission, which is really not that high. However, if you want to get to that $1,000 in commissions, you should be doing high-ticket affiliate marketing. Let me explain. So let's say you promote Amazon's products, and Amazon are willing to give you 10% commission for each product that you promote. In order for you to make $1,000 in commission, assuming you get $10 for an average order of $100, then you need to make about 100 sales to make $1,000 per month. However, if you do what I do, which is what I'm going to be teaching you guys here today and showing you exactly the same high-ticket product that I promote so you can promote it for yourself, then you literally need to make 1 sale a month to make $1,000. So imagine, which is easier? Is it to make 100 sales a month, or is it to make 1 sale a month? So what do I need to do affiliate marketing? Number 1, you need a high ticket product, which is what I explained, a ticket that will allow you to basically bring $1,000 in commission per 1 sale. Number 2, you need a social media account, and always start with the social media platform that you spend most of your time on. It can be Instagram, it can be TikTok, it can be Facebook, it can be YouTube, and it can be Pinterest as well.
Here's where this gets exciting. Where most people burn money on Facebook ads and Google ads, we're going to be using a completely free method that most people ignore. I'm talking about organic social media traffic that converts better than ads. Plus, I will share the secret tool that replaces both ClickFunnels and AWeber, and this alone saves you $200 a month while you're building your business.
Number 3, you want to start providing value to your audience through content creation, and that's how you're going to get people to see the products that you promote, the high-ticket product that you basically promote. And don't worry, I'm going to be explaining everything in details as we go through this video.
Now, I'm going to show you the exact content strategy that drives all this traffic, and it's way simpler than you think. I'm going to walk you through my screen step by step so you can see exactly what I post, how I structure my content, and more importantly, the one call to action that turns viewers into email subscribers. This is the foundation that makes everything else work.
So what you see right here, this is called a funnel. A funnel basically means is an online sequence that takes online traffic, which is potential customers who showed interest in what you have to offer, and then they go through a sales sequence of simple web pages, okay? So most people get really confused between a website and a funnel. And as you can see on the left-hand side, this is a funnel. So the job of the funnel is basically to funnel your audience or your customer or the potential customers into buying eventually, right? So a funnel, basically, there's only one action to take on each page on a funnel. So in this example right here, people have to either add their emails and click this button, or they can exit the page. However, when you have a website, there's a lot of things as a customer that you can go through without being basically funneled into buying eventually, if that makes any sense. I know what you might be thinking, how can I build a funnel? I'm going to be showing you exactly how, but I personally use ClickFunnels, and that's what I recommend for you guys to use, because the bonus that I'm going to be giving you, the done for you funnel, the one that I'm going to be giving you is through ClickFunnels. Now, we're actually going to jump right in. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly the step-by-step funnel. I'm going to be revealing everything that I use myself so you can use it for yourself as well. The step number one of the funnel is to build a social media account. You can do it on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, or Facebook. What I recommend, guys, is you start with the platform that you spend most of your time on. So when you start basically making an account on social media, you're going to be doing basically or driving traffic, which is people, to your affiliate link, right? We talked about how you're going to basically drive traffic to your affiliate links, and I'm going to be talking about that as well in details. The second step of the funnel is to build an opt-in page. An opt-in page has so many names, a capture page, a landing page. Its only job is to basically collect the name and email of your potential customers or anyone who showed interest. And here's why you're going to need to collect an email. The reason why you're going to be collecting emails because you want to basically follow up later with the potential customers if they didn't make a purchase. The reason why you're going to be doing that is because a person basically has to see the product 8 to 28 times before they actually make a purchase. Step number 3 of the funnel is to build a thank you page. A thank you page, basically, it's a really simple page that has a video on top and it has a button below. So the job of this thank you page is basically to show a video of yourself, the product that you promote, and how the product can solve a problem. So let's say you have a product that is going to help people lose weight. What you can be doing inside of your video is you can tell people about yourself, about your journey, and how that product actually helped you lose weight. Step number 4 of the funnel is to basically get people to go to the product or the service that you promote. Your job is done right here. It's not your job to do the sale. It's not your job to do the fulfillment. Your job is only to send people to this page. Your only job is to build the thank you page and the opt-in page. Now on the product sales page, when people go and they see the product, they love the product, they can go ahead and make a purchase. If they do make a purchase, then you earn your commission. If they don't, here's why having an email follow-up is so important, and here's why we actually collect the emails. So remember, on the opt-in page, we asked the customer for their name and email, and the reason why we do that is because we can do email follow-ups, and we can actually send people to the same product that we promoted the first time that they didn't buy. And not only that, we can actually start sending multiple emails to different products within the same niche. So if you send email number 1 for product number 1, you can make a commission. If you send email number 2 to product number 2, you can make a commission, and so on and so forth.
All right, now that you understand the funnel concept, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how this works in real life. You're about to see my actual funnels, my real email sequences, and the high-ticket product that changed my life. This is the part where it finally comes together. I am about to reveal the high-ticket product that generates $1,000 plus per sale. This isn't some random product I found online. This is the exact product that taught me everything I know about affiliate marketing, so I decided to promote it because I genuinely believe in the results it delivers.
So remember, step 1 of the funnel was to create and drive traffic through content creation. In my case, I am using Instagram as my explanation. So the very first step that you need to be doing is you need to start to make content. The fastest way for you guys, especially for beginners, is video content. And that's why I say always, all the time, start making video content either on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook Reels as well. So through your content, you should be basically providing value. And what I mean by value, in my case, I'm also helping people not only with affiliate marketing, but also helping them with a lot of ways to make money online. Okay, so that's the very first step. One thing I want to mention as well is you have to say at the end of your videos, right? check out the link in my bio, because that's how you're going to direct your traffic and your potential customers to look at your opt-in page. The second step of the process is to build an opt-in page. And if I go here and I click on this link right here, now what you see, guys, this is the opt-in page. And remember, I said the job of this page is to start collecting emails and the names and emails of your potential customers so we can do email follow-ups with them later, okay? So this is just a really simple opt-in page where basically I tell people, right, my name and what exactly the product that I have. And as you can see, guys, the title, How to Be Your Own Boss and Never Worry About Money Again, right? So that title right there is going to grab the attention of my potential customers. Now, on this simple opt-in page, because I'm going to be giving you this as a bonus, you really don't have to change anything except for your name and your own picture. And remember what we said, the job of this page is to start collecting names and emails. So when people click on this start button right now here, right, they're going to have to add their names and email, and then they're going to have to be taken to the next page, which I'm going to be explaining as well, which is the thank you page. This is another button that they have to go through as well. Either one will work. They're going to add their name here and also their name, and they're going to hit this button, and they're going to be taken to the thank you page, which I'm going to be explaining in a few seconds here. Now, if I go ahead and type my name and email and I click this button right here, I should be taken to the second step of the funnel, which is the thank you page. So the job of this page is to literally show a video of yourself talking about the product, how the product can solve a problem to your potential audience, and also a button below your videos, all right? So in this case, on this page, I'm also promoting the 15-day challenge, which is a really popular course that a lot of people have been taking in the last 3 years. And right now, it's still hot. Everyone is taking the 15-day challenge as well. And not only that, guys, but this is the same course that actually taught me how to learn high ticket and how to do high ticket affiliate marketing completely from scratch. So also on the thank you page, you should be talking a little bit about the product, not only inside of your video, but also by text, because people like to watch videos. So others, they like to basically read some text, okay? So if you take a look on the right-hand side, you will see that I'm saying there's a 15-day challenge with Dave. It will teach you how to build the number one business model to launch your online business completely from scratch with no skills required. And 2, the simple 2-funnel step that all the top affiliates are doing, which is what I showed you guys, your opt-in page and the thank you page. And finally, the 6-step system to choosing a niche and launching your own new business in just 15 days, okay? So also, if you go right here, guys, you also want to talk about your own story as well, right? So in my case here, I'm telling people that I worked in the oil field as a field engineer for 3.5 years until I had enough. I used to spend less time with my family, and I gave up my hobbies for work. So you want to tell people about yourself, your own story, and what got you basically started, and how you got started with the product that you promote, okay? When your potential customers, they land on your thank you page, they watch the video, and then they click on this Start Now button, they should be taken to the 4th step of the funnel, which is the sales page of the product that you promote. So now let's put it into practice. If I go ahead and click on Start Now, I should be taken to the sales page. And as you can see, guys, this is the product that I have been promoting, and this is the product that you will be promoting, hopefully, at the end of this video. The reason why I love this product, not only because it helps you start your online business completely from scratch, but because it actually costs about $7 to get started with it. And not only that, the other reason that I love about this product and I love to promote it is because there is a range of upsells that basically your traffic can go through, which means potentially you're going to earn higher commissions. It starts from $7 all the way to $2,500 per one sale. Did I also mention they do have a lot of products where you can earn monthly commissions, low commissions, and also the high commission products. If your traffic decides to buy the high ticket, which is $2,500, you earn about 40% of the $2,500, which brings you to $1,000 per one commission. And that is why it is so easy with high ticket affiliate marketing to make over $10,000 a month. All you have to do is make 10 sales a month, and you will be able to make $10,000 a month. Here's also why I love the 15-day challenge, because of all the free bonuses that they will give your free traffic if they decide to buy the $7 course. they're going to get about 7 different bonuses that they will get if they buy the $7 course. And specifically for bonus number 6, they're going to have your personal one-on-one business plan advisor, someone, a real person who's going to walk you through the training as you go through it as well. Now, if you are interested in starting with the 15-day challenge, I'm going to leave the link below in the description. But also, in order for you to start promoting their product, you would have to take the 15-day challenge before you become an affiliate for them. And you will be able to promote their product and make higher commissions yourself as well. Now, everything that I've explained so far, it's because of the education that I actually got from the 15-day challenge itself. So now you might be thinking, how can I build a funnel? In my case, I'm using ClickFunnels, which is an easy software that will allow you to basically drag and drop stuff and make your own website. It's that easy. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be leaving a link down in the description where you can have 14 days for free trial. Now, remember, guys, when I said we're going to be using email marketing to promote multiple products, guess what? ClickFunnels is one of the other products that I personally promote myself, and the other ones that you can promote yourself as well. Another reason why you need to be using ClickFunnels is because that's how you're going to automate your entire business. Using ClickFunnels with an email autoresponder will allow you to basically do email follow-ups automatically, which I'm going to show you just in a minute as well. We're going to be using an email autoresponder to basically send email follow-ups automatically, although you're going to have to write them first, and then you can use the software to send the emails. But this is the secret to allowing your business to automate 24/7, and that will allow you also to make or basically earn commissions even when you're asleep. So the email autoresponder that I use myself is called AWeber. AWeber is absolutely free up to 500 subscribers, and after that they're going to charge you about $19 a month. But I'm assuming by the time you get 500 subscribers, you're already making money online. This is how you're going to automate your business. And just to show you guys an example of one of the products that I promoted in the past. So if we take a look at this active campaign, as you can see, guys, trigger campaign for new subscriber. And what that means basically is, let me show you what that means. If you go back to your funnels, then this is what's going to happen. When people add their names and email and they hit this button, this is going to trigger this campaign. So using this email autoresponder, because it's going to trigger the first message, which is your free ebook download is waiting. This is the very first thing that will people get once they add their name and email here, because that's what we said here, trigger campaign for new subscribers, okay? Then the software is gonna wait 1 day before sending the second message, and then it's gonna wait another day before sending the other message, and so on and so forth. That's really the entire thing, guys. This is the entire online business that I use myself to make 10K plus each month.
I know what you're thinking. This process is way too much for me. And you're absolutely right. Because when I got started, I felt the exact same way. Here's the difference between people who succeed and people who don't. The successful people take action even when they feel overwhelmed. That's exactly why I promised you those game-changing bonuses at the beginning of this video. So here's what I'm giving you today. First, the exact funnel I just showed you, rebuilt for you inside a free tool called System.io that replaces both ClickFunnels and AWeber, so you at least save $200 a month. You just import and you launch your business. Second, my 30-day content calendar that eliminates the question of what do I actually post, that I use to give clients for $1,000 yours for free. Third, my PCE system, the 3-step daily routine that generates $10,000 a month in commissions with just 3 hours a day. Fourth, access to my personal list of high-paying affiliate programs, including the ones that pay up to $2,000 per sale. So ready to copy my exact system? Just click the link below in the description to get instant access to my complete affiliate marketing blueprint. I'm talking my funnel, my content calendar, my PCE system, and my personal list. This is the exact system that took me from working as a field engineer in remote areas to working full-time from home. Look, I've given you everything today, the strategy, the tools, even my funnel. But what separates the winners from the watcher is taking action. Most people will close this video, save it for later, and never come back. Don't be most people. Your first $1,000 commission is waiting. The only question is, will you claim it? So click the link in the description now to get instant access, and I'll see you in the next video.